Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out one of the most powerful air fryers in the market right now, the Cosori TurboBlaze 9-in-1 Air Fryer 6QT. And trust me, this thing is not just another air fryer, it's a complete kitchen upgrade. So first, let's talk about performance. This air fryer uses advanced TurboBlaze technology, which means it cooks up to 46% faster than traditional air fryers. That's huge if you're busy or just impatient like me. Now what really impressed me is the versatility. You're getting 9 cooking modes: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. Basically, you can cook almost anything in this one device. Pause for a second, imagine making crispy fries, juicy chicken, baked cake, and even dried fruits, all without switching appliances. That's insane convenience. Next, let's talk about health. This air fryer uses up to 95% less oil compared to deep frying. So you still get that crispy texture, but without the guilt. Perfect if you're trying to eat healthier. Now the temperature range is also impressive, from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That means low temperature dehydration to high heat crisping, everything is covered. Another thing I really liked is the 6-quart capacity. It's perfect for families or meal prep. You can easily cook for 3 to 5 people in one go. And cleaning? Super. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, so no more scrubbing for hours. But let's be real, no product is perfect. Some users say preset temperature limits can feel restrictive, and the basket size might not fit very large items like a whole big chicken. Still, overall performance, speed, and versatility make this one of the best air fryers in its class. So, should you buy it? If you want faster cooking, healthier meals, and a multi-purpose kitchen tool, then yes, this is absolutely worth it.